Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Vic and I am a Gen Z philosopher, academic, and adventurer. And speaking to the last piece, I do a lot of travel. In the past 6 months, I have been to 5 different countries. Today I'm going to be showing you how I pack for smaller trips. A lot of the travel that I do is on a budget, so I'm always out of my carry-on, out of a personal bag. I'm very good at packing compactly, and I kind of wanted to share some tips and bring you along for this prep. I'm super excited to explore Chicago. I've never been, and yeah, I can't wait to bring you along for the ride. The truth is, even though I love to travel, I hate packing. Okay, it never gets easier. It does get easier with the system, but it never gets more enjoyable is what I'm trying to get at. And the faster and the more systematic I can make it, the easier, because it just takes up less time, less brain energy, and then I can look forward to actually going on the trip. So here's what my packing list looks like for today. I have all of my essential toiletries. This is super important to me, and I'm always making sure that everything is compliant with the place that I'm going to. Sometimes they have limitations on liquids. Most places do now, so I'm really minimal with this. Then I have outfits, and I'll explain why I pick certain items to pack in my carry-on. Then I have other clothes, so things that are like less obvious, but pajamas, socks. I don't even have socks in here, I gotta fix that. And then electronics. Electronics are tricky. You need to be mindful of things like outlets. If you're going to somewhere that it might have a different socket than you might have where you're from, SD cards, chargers, all the works. Miscellaneous is down here, which would be like an extra tote bag to carry things when I don't want to bring mega bags around, and band-aids if you're doing a lot of walking. And then finally up here I have the essentials, so passport, boarding pass. If you need a vaccine passport, you can also put that there as well. Here is my tip for outfits and outfit planning. I usually allocate one specific outfit per day, but all of those items are not necessarily super unique. I will always have common items that I can switch out and make sure that I'm shuffling those things so that I don't have excess that I need to bring. It doesn't make sense for me to bring like 3 pairs of pants for 3 days unless you're in a situation where maybe you're at a conference and you don't want to repeat things. Either way, I would still do it. I don't really care. It's all about practicality and comfort for me. And if something is going to make you comfortable for 3 days, then bring it. From my list here, I have 3 outfits, and 2 of them involve the same pair of jeans. 2 of them involve the same like undershirt. And then one of them is actually like a full one piece. And because that's a smaller item, it's so much easier to pack that as an outfit because it's not going to take up a lot of space in the luggage. That's my tip, and let's get into the packing. Last word on items, I do want to say that it's important to try on everything that you're packing. Sometimes we feel like things are going to go together or that they might be comfortable, and then when we get there, we are like in a bad mood because things are not going as planned. So trying on things while you're still in the comfort of your home, while you can still get substitutes, is really, really important. So I'm going to try on all my outfits really quickly. This is a prime example of me not being sure if this is going to be comfortable or even cute. This is a jumper that I recently bought from Uniqlo that I think is adorable, but not something that I can necessarily wear on its own. The weather in Chicago is supposed to be 10 degrees. Also, this is Canadian temperature, so Celsius. Anyways, I think it's cute, but I'm not sure. And I'm also just trying to think, if it gets hot or if it gets cold, how am I going to work with this? So this is something that you could easily swap out for a turtleneck underneath if it's cold. A t-shirt, I'm always going to bring a t-shirt just in case something kind of goes wrong for whatever reason. You can never go wrong with a white t-shirt. But yeah, I'm gonna try this on quickly with the turtleneck, see what I like more. Okay, I'm back with the turtleneck. And this is also really cute. Or I don't know if it's cute. I'm just getting the vibe that it might be. But yeah, something that I've never really worn before. So I'm gonna bring both and we'll see what happens. It really just depends. Like on the day of, I might feel more comfortable with this. I might be running hot and I want a t-shirt. So it's good to have both. If they're smaller items, that's also okay. Outfit number 1 is done. Now we're on to outfit number 2. I don't know if you can see this well, but I'm basically just wearing some Levi mom jeans, this sweater vest from Uniqlo, and then underneath I have a t-shirt with a collar. I think it's super cute. And like I said before, if it's getting cold, I can just throw on the turtleneck that I had before, layer it up so that I still have the collar, and life is good. I try not to make things super complex. I like minimal colors. This just helps to make things timeless, easy, and there we go. We have outfit number 2. And you can't see my head, but essentially I'm wearing the same jeans, a little small tank top that, again, if it's hot, take it off. And then I just have this oversized blazer. I thought this would be a cool look, especially for days when we're doing a little bit more museum hopping, looking through the financial district, all that great stuff. Yeah, outfit number 3 is done. I have my pride and joy here. This is my carry-on luggage from Monos. I bought it back when I was studying abroad. My mom got it for me actually. And basically it is just this little gal right here, navy blue, my favorite. And not much to it. It basically has a lock on the side, and let's get her full of my clothes. Bam. Pretty much right here we have 3 days of clothes, which is pretty cool. And I also added my pajamas. So outfit 1-ish, outfit 2 is right here, outfit 3, and then we have my pajamas. I tried to make this satisfying, but there we go. Cool. One side done. I'm already at that point in the packing process where I want to stop, but I'm gonna look at the list again, see what I've already accomplished, and then get onto maybe toiletries just so that I'm out of this room for a bit and come back. Hey y'all, this is Vic from the future, and I'm losing my voice, but I'm back from Chicago. I can testify that this really did work. I ended this video pretty abruptly, so I just wanted to add a couple of annotations. So the first thing is I didn't film putting in my electronics because that's something that's very last minute, and on the day of I was not down to film. So I had all of that figured out. Second, I always carry a folder with me that has my passport photocopied, health card, travel insurance, any vaccinations if necessary, accommodations if you need proof of accommodation. I always carry that with me, and I'll try to have copy either on my phone or in my carry-on, something that again is always going to be accessible if something happens. And yeah, and then I'm always bringing things that just might make me or the people I'm traveling with a little bit more comfy. So an umbrella, a windbreaker, again, band-aids. I'm always carrying things just in case. Gum, I don't know, if it's possible, you want to again, I love being minimal because it's just going to get you the most out of everything. But again, you do you. And to help everybody out, I've put together a quick checklist of everything that I've mentioned, and you can access it in the description down below. I've also listed a lot of the products like my travel journal, my carry-on, anything that you might see in this video that you think could come in handy. Hopefully you can find it in the description. If not, leave a comment and I will get back to you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited for the Chicago video to come out. I am editing it today and it was a blast. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe if you wanna, and I'll see you in my next one.